Hi friends, today you have been working on changing the beginning sounds to make a brand new word. Your activity will be on Schoology today. You are going to say the first picture. So right here is a picture of a dog. Then you need to change the beginning sound of dog to match this last picture. So right here I've got a blank and I have a-g. So I need to turn dog into log. So once I change it from a D sound, D, to the ol sound, I need to find that letter down here, and my video is kind of hiding it, so I'm going to move my video up here a little bit. I need to find which letter makes the ol sound and drag it to the blank. You're going to do this for all of the questions.